This video is very useful for students of science and maths. Here we will get squares from 1 to 30. It is always useful. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. The next video we will see from 5 to 10. So 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81, and 10 10 is 100. So 5 5 is 25 is missing. In the next video we will see 11 into 11 is 121, 12 12 is 144, 13 13 is 169, 14 14 is 196, and 15 into 15 is 225. In the next video start from 16. So here we have 16 into 16 is 256, 17 into 17 is 289, 18 into 18 is 324, 19 into 19 is 361, 20 into 20 is 400. In the next video we will see from 21. So 21 into 21 is 441, 22 into 22 is 484, 23 into 23 is 529, 24 into 24 is 576, 25 into 25 is 625. Next is 26 into 26 is 276, 27 into 27 is 729, 28 into 28 is 784, 29 into 29 is 841, and 30 into 30 is 900. Thank you.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।